Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact. To begin your adventure, focus on the main Archon quests. These will guide you through the story and unlock crucial game mechanics. Explore the beautiful region of Mondstadt thoroughly, activating every teleport waypoint and statue of the 7 you encounter. This makes future travel much easier. Familiarize yourself with the combat system, utilizing your character's unique elemental abilities. You will receive several free characters to help you start your journey. Understanding elemental reactions is key to effective combat in Genshin Impact. There are 7 distinct elements, and combining them creates powerful effects like vaporize, melt, or electro-charged. For instance, applying pyro to an enemy already affected by hydro will trigger vaporize, dealing significant damage. Always observe enemy elemental auras and shields to exploit their weaknesses. Remember, the environment itself can also be a powerful tool in your elemental arsenal. To progress effectively, focus on building your characters. Level up your chosen 4 characters and their talents using experience books and plenty of mora. Artifacts are crucial. Equip sets that enhance your character's primary role, paying close attention to their main and substats. Remember to ascend your characters and their weapons once you reach certain adventure ranks to unlock higher level caps. A well-rounded team of 4, with diverse elemental types, will make combat much smoother. Once you've established a strong foundation, a daily routine will help you maximize your progress. Complete your 4 daily commissions for easy primogems and adventure rank experience. Spend your original resin on ley line outcrops for mora or character experience, or on domains for artifacts and weapon ascension materials. Always participate in the rotating limited-time events for exclusive rewards. And of course, keep exploring the expansive world of Teyvat. There are always new secrets to uncover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.